Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and you're watching my channel, our channel, Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and Education for Us All. You find us once again in the kitchen where we are going to make a very simple fish spicy dish, I would call it. So much of it has been prepared by Mrs. A Junior. So I'm going to ask her, ये कैसे ये फिश कैसे प्रिपेयर हुई अभी?
सबसे पहले फ़िश को सिरका नमक और लेमन जूस के साथ वॉश कर लिया है। थोड़ी देर के लिए इसको रहने दिया है हमने वॉश करके। अब फिर हमने टमाटर को ग्राइंड कर लिया है और बाकी अपने स्पाइसेस वगैरह निकाल लिए हैं। अब हम आपको आगे बताते हैं कि आपने कैसे तैयार करनी है।
Okay, so the fish has been washed in lemon juice and salt, viewers. So that's very important. And here we have various spices. Add the usual onions and chilies and garlic. So without further ado, we are going to start. Let's prepare the dish by putting in some oil. And you get no oil, darling?
3 tablespoons.
So I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of oil. So the first thing to do, put in is the onions. How many onions are there? So 2 medium-sized onions going in. So we're going to give those a good stir until they're nice and soft. Okay, that's coming on nicely. We're going to put the frozen chili. So we do freeze these. This is chili and is that ginger or is that ginger that's been ground in the grinder? And we'll turn it into cubes. Just going to add a little bit more paste. This is again ginger and garlic. Okay, that's mixed nicely. We're going to add the tomato puree. Well, this is homemade, just simply tomatoes ground in a grinder. So the next thing to go in is the spices. We've got them all together here. We've got turmeric, we've got chili flakes, we've got chili, garam masala, we have black pepper, did you say?
Black pepper, salt, turmeric, chili, and
cumin acid. Is this fennel seeds?
Cumin.
Zira?
Zira,
yeah, fennel seeds as well. So all those to go in now. Sorry, I said fennel seed is actually cumin seeds. So the tomato puree and the paste blended in. Now we're adding in the pastes and let that blend in for 2-3 minutes. Okay, just going to add another ingredient, which of course is garlic cloves. So these are optional, but we love garlic. We've got 5 or 6 garlic cloves going in there. Okay, the mixture is ready. We're ready to put in the fish now. So try to put it in one at a time. So it spreads out. Do try to make sure that there's not a lot of water in them. So all the fish has been put in now. Sorry, I forgot to mention, this is a white fish, pollock. So, I mean, this is fine as well, but haddock and cod would be even better. But this is what we had in the freezer. So this is a white fish called pollock. Okay, so we're going to let that cook for about 15 minutes. Then our fish karahi will be ready, hopefully. There we have it, viewers. That is our fish karahi completed. Just going to I've forgotten the word now. Okay.
Methi.
Just remember the word garnish. Going to garnish that with methi, fenugreek. Okay, so I'm always forgetting words. There we have it, guys. Okay, I do hope you're going to try this very simple dish, viewers. नाजरीन, ये है जी हमारी सिंपल फिश कढ़ाई. उम्मीद है आप ये ट्राई करेंगे. Okay, so please, let's make the plea once again. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell all your friends about it. Until the next time, look after yourselves, look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज़.